Okay, ma'am.
Just be a little fast, okay? It will be a test-like structure and you have to self-evaluate it, okay? While I will discuss the answer. I will give the questions. Also afterwards, you have to do your answers. Just be honest with it, okay? Turn on the camera while you are giving the question. While I will just give the answer questions that from that time turn on the camera up to the last, okay?
Only MCQ form you will give.
Yes, MCQ format like the question paper, how the questions will come, it will give. I will give like that only. Turn on your camera first. I will share the screen. Turn on your camera first. Everyone, turn on your camera first. Write the questions also, okay? And there keep tick. And I know that OMR filling you all can do. You don't have to practice that thing. Turn on your camera. Shlok, Swastik, Tohid, Ankita, Khushi, Prince. Yes, turn on the camera, please, all of you. Turn on the camera for 10 minutes only when I will just give you the questions for that time. Turn on the camera. Slow, Swastik, Tohid, fast, very fast. Trishan also.
Hello,
Trishan, you just joined. Yes. I put
No,
absent, sorry.
ma'am, 1 minute while I take my pen.
Okay. You take your pen and sit and turn on your camera, please.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm sharing the questions. Just see it. Okay, this is your question for today's practice test. Okay, software spelling is most probably written wrong.
Like OMR sheet or only answer?
Only answer. First, you write down the question and there you put the tick. OMR sheet filling you all can do. I know. You all can do though. OMR sheet filling you all can do though.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you just write the questions very fast. 12:45 up to 1 you will do. Afterwards, I will just say the answers.
Only answer, ma'am.
No questions with answers. This is revisions class question. You need to copy it down for every teacher. If you can't
Ma'am,
copy
not
down,
need to write. Ma'am, not need to write the options though.
no, write the options also. Why you are
Okay, ma'am.
right? First, copy
Okay, ma'am.
whatever is written over here. Afterwards, you will just. I will just. After that, put the tick on the answers. Okay. Suppose you are writing the questions in blue pen, put the tick on black pen and correct it with pencil. Self corrections I told while I will tell. Like this way you have to do. If you are writing in black pen the questions, put the tick on by blue pen.
ম্যাম ম্যাম নাম্বার সি এর পর ই আছে কেন?
Both A and B. কেন আছে ভালো করে দেখ, এ বি কেন আছে, কি লেখা আছে পুরোটা পড়ে লেখ। আমি একটু বড় করছি, তোরা ফোনে দেখছিস তো, 5টা করে কোয়েশ্চেন দেখাচ্ছি, দেখতে এবার ঠিক আছে। Complete it very fast.
Please silent. Please silent.
नहीं, मैं इधर ही रहूंगी, मेरे एग्जाम चल रहा, मैं नहीं जाना।
Alifa, turn on your camera.
मैम आपने ওটা নাম্বার 6 এ কি লিখেছেন which of the following is an internet hardware
Internal.
internal hardware ওকে ম্যাম internal hardware
Keep your sides mute. Keep your sides mute. Please, all of you, keep your sides mute.
ओके मैम ओके मैम ओके मैम मैम একবার আপনি সব কটা কোশ্চেন একবার শো করুন
Afterwards, I'm showing. So up to 7, I have done. 7, 8, 9, 10. Number systems, very easy questions are there. So you can just solve
Ma'am,
this.
4 3
Ma'am,
1s.
ma'am, you show 3. Number 3.
Number 3. Now also you are in number 3. Okay.
Ma'am, so please number 2.
No. Much time I have given to write those things. Where you have gone, Viraj? I'm showing all the questions. Please just take a screenshot, zoom it and write.
ম্যাম হ্যালো
Hmm.
ম্যাম আমরা এক্সামটা দিয়ে কি আপনি ওখানে লিংক প্রোভাইড করবে যেখানে সেন্ড করব?
You
Hello.
want to send? You want to send?
No ma'am, I am not telling that you will provide link over there.
No. No. Now only I will tell the answers, right? At at 1 or 1:15, I will start telling the answer.
Okay ma'am.
Please keep your sides mute. More 5 minutes, I am giving 10 questions. Within 10-15 minutes, you all can solve. That's very easy. All those questions are computer system consists of hardware and software both. So C will be the answer. Okay. Without dash, our computer would not exist and software could not be used. Without hardware, anything that can be stored electronically is software. Software can be purchased or downloaded. This type of options will not be there. Not means we are doing, but it's not a valid answer. Okay. Which of the following is not an external hardware? Here, see the question, not. So, motherboard. Which of the following is an internal hardware? Motherboard. See, the question is different, but the answer is same. Okay? This kind of questions will be there. So, read every word nicely and carefully. Which of the following is not an internal hardware? You all can see that plotter is actually a type of a printer. So the option is C. Software is often packaged on CD-ROMs and diskettes, both A and B. It is very clear. 2 dash are there. That means both A and B will be there. Computer can understand only binary digits. Now here coming dash number system is the most widely used number system, decimal number system. Okay. Now here you may have your mind can have some questions like if computer can understand octal and decimal number. Okay, if a computer can understand only binary number, then what is the use of hexadecimal and octal number? For our easy representation of the binary numbers, we have just created this octal and hexadecimal numbers. Okay. So up to to this today's class. I hope that this type of question, if coming, if going to come to the exam, you all can answer.
Ma'am, wait,
Because-
ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
I
number
will. I will send this screenshot as well as in your batch. Okay. Any question is there?
No, ma'am.
In,
No, ma'am.
any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay.